In this video, we're going to take a look at the Gantt chart view of the Dusk FSM. On the left here, we have the Create Job button. We have the ability to review staff and enable and disable those staff. We can see the different skills that they have as well. Similarly for crews, we can see which skills the crew have by hovering over them and also enable and disable those. We can move between days and we can also move between weeks this way as well. Next to the current date, we've got the same filters as we have across each of the Jobs Calendar map and Kanban board tabs. On the left are the unassigned jobs. Now, these unassigned jobs could be created in the Dusk FSM, or they can come in from other platforms such as HubSpot. When they come in, they could be unassigned and available for schedule and dispatch. You can also search in here for any jobs if you know keywords, etc. as well. The colors on here match the priorities of low, medium, high, and urgent. So when we're ready to dispatch a job, we can go down here, we can search, or we can locate the job visually. Just drag it over and drop it on the board. If it's for a different date, you will get a prompt to confirm that the change is expected. The color statuses on here, you'll see yellow for schedule and gray for dispatched. There are multiple other colors as well for in progress, completed, on hold, and so on. If we click a scheduled job, we can see who it's scheduled to, the customer, and the date and time. We can click on the job to open it. We can either dispatch it now, which sends it straight down to Jane Doe in the field as the technician, or we can reschedule it. We can see here in this drop-down list that Jane Doe is currently assigned. We can also go to the Suggest Staff button, and it will suggest other staff that meet the requirements of the job. We've got capacity, shift, whether they are a team member or not. Anything orange is a warning. If we want to add someone new, we just select the staff, and the same applies for contractors. Now what we're going to do in here is just click Schedule, and that will finish this one. The gray chevrons on here represent shifts, and B represents breaks. Barney Rubble here does not have any shift, and Amanda Johnson here is on a weekday shift with a break.